Hello guys, and welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to edit footer in WordPress. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. The first thing you need to do here is you need to access your WordPress website's admin page. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to edit our website. So typically for you to do that, we need to go to the left panel here, look for appearances, and just need to click on customize. Now, some information and some details that you need to know here. So the option to edit your footer would actually depend on the theme that you're currently using. So right now, I'm using the 2019 theme here. So if you want to change this, just click on change here. Now, you might be wondering, where is the option to change your footer? Again, it depends on your current theme. Now, in this case, typically they will be sometimes in the homepage settings here, sometimes they will be in the menus, or in this case, in my theme here, they would actually currently be located on a specific section there. In this case, let's just go back here to the customize option. So in this case, for my theme here, the option to edit my footer is actually in the widget section. So in this case, let's go and click on widgets. As you can see, it now gives us the option to edit our footer. In this case, if you want to add content into your footer here, just choose the plus button and just add, like, for example, a paragraph here. So in this case, we could just maybe say this is a testing footer item. And as you can see, we now have just added a footer into our specific, or a text into our footer here. In this case, you could go and just add whatever, like images, list, galleries, or codes, whatever way you want. In this case, once you've done, you can just click on publish at the top right. Again, the option to change your footer will be depending on your active theme. Now, changing your theme is a great way for you to make sure that you have an option to basically edit your footer. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.